Around here, it's probably better now than most places.
Grab one out. Alright, so this is for third prize. This is Kim D from Aurora, Colorado. Close your eyes. Stand in there and draw one out. Okay, second prize is Stephen N from Colorado Springs. Okay. You ready to draw the first place winner? Yes. Okay. Can you shut your eyes? This is the winner. Quint B from Knoxville, Tennessee. Alright, congratulations to the winners of our July early bird drawing. First prize of $5,000 or a trip to Hawaii, second prize of $2,500, and the third prize of $1,000. Next drawing deadline is coming up August 18th, so buy your tickets now at www.rockymountainraffle.com, and good luck.